Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front has strongly denounced the Indian nefarious move to ask the Delhi High Court for death sentence against its chairman Mohammad Yasin Malik in the fake cases filed against him by the dreaded National Investigation Agency. The JKLF, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said in order to regain the declining political situation of the ruling extremist party of India, the BJP government is hell-bent upon punishing Yasin Malik for his peaceful and non-violent political beliefs. Political experts and Kashmir watchers have said that India has turned the territory into world's largest open-air prison where all the basic rights of the people have been snatched. The political experts and Kashmir watchers in the interviews and statements in Srinagar said the presence of over 1 million Indian troops deployed across the occupied territory had already made the life of the Kashmiri people hell. All parties Hurriyat Conference has expressed grave concern over the victimization of Hurriyat leaders by Narendra Modi-led Indian government to suppress the Kashmiris' freedom struggle. APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar deplored that the Modi regime is targeting the Hurriyat leaders to force them to give up their just cause. Indian troops have launched a massive cordon and search operation in the Kishtwar district of the Jammu region. The troops cordoned off Cherji, Chicha and Padyarna areas of the district and launched searches. The operation continued till last reports came in. Building of Darul Uloom was damaged today in a fire incident in North Kashmir's district. The officials said that the fire erupted in the residential quarters of the Darul Uloom at around 7 a.m. and engulfed the building, while no loss of life or injury was reported. In a tragic incident, 3 visually impaired brothers were killed in the Kishtwar district of the Jammu region last night when their house collapsed. A residential house collapsed last night due to the continuous rainfall for the past 2 days. Indian police have arrested 2 innocent Kashmiri youth in Kishtwar and Baramulla district. A youth identified as Muhammad Yusuf Chauhan was arrested by the police during searches in Cherji area of the Kishtwar district of the Jammu region. Another youth, Muhammad Ashraf Mir, was arrested by the Indian police and troops from a checkpoint in Nagbal area of the North Kashmir's Baramulla district. A delegation of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter met Jamaat-e-Islami Pakistan Amir Sirajul Haq and inquired about his well-being. Sirajul Haq recently escaped an assassination attack during his visit to Zob, Balochistan.